So tomorrow's the car show. So can you see her? It's kind of bright out there. So it's time to get her shined up. I've been needing a spray detailer, so I ordered some of the spray detailer, and oh, there it goes. You can see that it is from Streetspeed. So anyone who does YouTube or is super big into cars and follows people on Instagram and YouTube, Streetspeed717. You know, he's what we all strive to be. You know, he's like 1 million plus followers, subscribers, all that good stuff. So I grabbed some of this and we're gonna see how well it works. Street Speed, if I spray this on my car and the paint comes off, I'll be really upset. I will also say that I also had a kind of a ulterior motive for ordering this. I bought a couple bottles. For one, I needed it. So let's just get that, you know, on the air. I needed it. For the second thing is I got, you know, some entries to win his Corvette. I'm still supporting a YouTuber and a fellow car guy. So there you go. But, you know, at the end of the day, if you can win a car, why not go for it? So we're going to try this out and see how it works. So the directions say lightly spray on vehicle, spread evenly with a soft cloth or microfiber towel, and wipe off any excess with a dry, clean, soft towel or microfiber. I'll tell you what, it freaking smells good. Freaking smells amazing. So I'm not gonna make you guys sit through all this. I'm gonna go ahead and get her shined up. All right, guys, so look at this. Look at the reflection of the house and sauce has got, I just keep calling it the sauce. That's my nickname for it. So the sauce has got the car shining. It's the carbon fiber. It's got on bling. The stainless. It's got on bling. The paint itself is just, the reflections are just crazy. I even hit the wheels with it, so can't tell because of my shadows, but the wheels look great. Let's see what this other side's looking like, where the sun's really hitting. But yeah, so definitely whatever your recipe is, Street Speed, keep it up. What is my take on the Street Speed 717 detail spray? I give it 2 thumbs up. I mean, right now you only see one because I have to hold the camera, but definitely worth it. I mean, it's not any, it's the same price as any detailer you would find anywhere else. And the perk is you could potentially win a vehicle. So that's pretty cool. So I definitely give it a thumbs up. Just a reminder for anyone, a lot goes a long way, so you don't really need to douse your car. But my baby's shining. The sun's hitting just right. So if you guys are thinking about a detail spray to get that 717. Get that sauce.
Somebody come and look at this. Look at this.